Hi, in this section, Model Review section, we will learn how to use Navisworks to review BIM models. We, as BIM coordinators or BIM engineers, we review the model against comments, specification, and design drawings. So I will start this section by discussing the main sources of comments that we will deal with as contractors. So please go to this lecture resources and download the file types of comments. Unrar it and open it. The first one is consultant comment. As contractor, we submit the shop drawings to the project consultant for approval. The most common method of approval is the A, B, C status, where code A is the highest level of approval. Status A means there is no issues in the submitted drawings. Code B is a mid-level of approval, means fit for construction or manufacture, subject to the note supplied. Code C is the lowest level of approval, means revise and resubmit. So the consultant team review the submitted drawing and they put their comments on it unless the drawing takes code A. So I will open the first type of comments that we receive as contractors. You can open it using the Microsoft Edge. This drawing is a shop drawing for the management building. Let's read it together. As you can see, here we have the name of the project, ASN University. Here we have the drawing title, Management Building First Floor Layout. And below we have the date drawn by, checked by, the drawing number, and the scale as indicated on the drawing. As you can see, the scale here is 1 to 100, and the name of the view is the first floor. So this drawing is for the first floor of the management building. As you can see, this drawing is for the concrete dimensions. We have the beams names and dimensions. We have detail for the information for the slab, one-way rib slab 300 millimeter, and we have the columns names and the planted wall dimensions. BW is the abbreviation of planted wall. You can find it in the abbreviation table. We can notice that the consultant put code B on the drawing, and as I said before, code B means the drawing is approved but with comments. So as you can see here, we have a comment on the planted planted wall. The consultant wrote on the highlighted walls, please modify all walls to be 150 millimeter. So to review the consultant comment, we have to know the exact location. This drawing is for the first floor level, and the walls are located on grid 3 and grid 2. So by using these information, we can reach that location on Navisworks model. In the next lecture, we will learn how to measure and recheck if our team has reflected the comments on the model or not. The second source of comments is the RFI. What is the RFI? RFI is the abbreviation of Request for Information. It's a construction document to request clarification about documents, drawings, specification, or other project conditions. So as a contractor, how do we use it? For example, we are working on the modeling of plumbing systems, and we found that there are no sizes on some plumbing pipes on the design drawings. So we send RFI to the designer to ask them about the sizes. In this RFI, open it and let's read it together. First of all, we have the RFI number, RFI 001. So why do we give numbers to the RFIs? Because usually we have tens or maybe hundreds of RFIs in the project. So it's important to have a number for the RFI. And as you can see, we have a revision. The revision is 0. Sometimes we have more than one revision for the same RFI. Then we have all the general information about the project, project name, location, and project ID. Then the requesting party, the one who asks for the information, the name of the person, the company, and all the contact information. Then the date of issuing this RFI and the deadline of the response. Why we put a deadline? For example, we have a tight deadline for casting a slab and there are some openings in the slab without dimensions on the drawing. So we send RFI, urgent RFI for the designer, and we put the deadline that we cannot exceed. For example, 1 day. So the designer will reply on the RFI within 1 day to enable us casting the slab. Next is the inquiry. Here we describe the issue and the location and if there is a reference drawing or document. The location is important as we need it in Navisworks to check the issue, to reach that location and to check the issue. And finally, the designer response, and they put any drawing, any document in their reply. As you can see. For this RFI, the inquiry is, as per latest structural drawings, there are no dimensions on the water concrete tank access door. Please advise for the dimensions. So we as a contractor, we don't know the dimensions of the water concrete tank access door. So we send this inquiry or this RFI to the designer, and here's their reply. As per design structural drawing, the opening size is 800 multiplied by 700 millimeter. Please check sketch number 1. Here's the sketch number 1. As you can see, we have 800 millimeter for the width, and for the height we have 700 millimeter. Why the dimensions are missing in the latest structural drawing? Sometimes the drafter of the drawing might delete the dimensions by mistake. The next source of comments is the internal comments. Internal comments that we share inside the team to follow project instructions and drawings. In this drawing is architectural elevation drawing, shows the whole project. The architectural engineer specified that the services zone in basement, as you can see in basement 02 and basement 01, this project is a commercial project, the assignment project. So the surfaces zone is 2300 millimeter above finished floor level. So the clear height of the basement is 2300 millimeter. That means it's not allowed for any pipe or duct or any other MEP surface elevation to be below 2300 millimeter. Why the architectural engineer specified a clear height of 2300 millimeter in the basement, in the parking, to prevent all vehicles with height over than 2300 millimeter to enter this parking. Otherwise, the vehicle will clash with the MEP services. So in the next lecture, we will learn how to use the 7 different kinds of measurements and other tools to double check these comments on Navisworks model. In assignment 3, you have a task to check if the MEP services in parking in basement 02, basement 01 are achieving the clear height or not. Thank you very much and see you in the next lecture.